Hello, I am Rajesh Pathan, Sangli Isa, Diet Sangli. Let's see some question answers based on NAS exam. Let's see question answers on a story. Question first. Himaguchi drew the attention of the villagers by dash. The options are standing on the hill, waving out the villagers, putting his rice stacks on fire, standing near his window. When we see for this the lines from 12 to 13, number 12 to 13, the lines are: then he ran to his plot where stacks of rice lay and set fire to them one by one. This is the answer first. So the correct answer is third answer, putting his rice stalks on fire. Question second. Which of the following traits does not describe Himaguchi? For this, let's see lines on 3 and 4. The lines are: he was loved and respected by all the villagers because he was wise, kind and helpful. So the answer 4, confused and helpless, this is the correct answer. Question 3. The expression when the villagers have revived implies means tells that, meanings that. For this, let's see line number 22 and 23. The lines are: years later when the village revived, villagers named his Himaguchi and deity, built up a temple by sign and to spread him and prayed for every day. Here the meaning is normal activities normal activities were resorted, means answer first. For question 3, answer first is the correct answer. Let's see question 4. The villagers expressed their attitudes to Himaguchi by dash. Let's see the last line, that is, built a temple as a sign of respect to him and prayed there every day. So answer 2, building a temple in his name, is the correct answer. Question 5. The story teaches us to dash: remain alert all the time, learn disaster management, care of others, selflessly respect one's community. On line 22, the word tells sacrifice, means answer 3, care for others selflessly, is the correct answer. Question 6. What is the most suitable title for the story? Here Himaguchi have rescued the villagers, so the answer must be third, the rescue of the villagers. Let's see the question answers on chart given. Here the first question is: I am interested in watching the squeeze. Where is it being conducted? When we watch column 3 and row 10, the answer is hall 2. So the answer 2 is the correct answer. On which day is the school conducting maximum number of activities? This is the second question, and the correct answer for this, column 2 and row number 1 to 4, and the correct answer is Wednesday. Question 3. Mandip Kaur will be conducting. For this, let's see column number 2 and row number 10, and the correct answer is squeeze show. The answer third is the correct answer. For question 4, which events will be conducted on Thursday? For this, let's see column number 2, row number 11, column number 4, row number 10, that is second, squeeze met by the author and visit to a national park. Answer second is the correct answer. After that, next question is that on which day can the children meet rescue bond? Column number 1, row number 10, that is answer Thursday, and third answer is the correct answer. Next question: which classes will go to see the Jungle Book and when? For this, let's see column number 4, row number 4, and the correct answer is class 5 and 6 on Tuesday, that is answer 4 is the correct answer. Next question: the school has invited experts for different events. After observing the column number 2, that is by Berry John, second is book cover by Santosh Roy, and squeeze conducted by Mandip Kaur, third, and fourth is meet the author rescue bond. So these 4 persons are expert person, and the answer third is correct, that is third answer, 4 experts are invited. So these were the answers of 2 paragraphs. Let's see some grammar questions. Choose correct options of the following option in the fill in the blanks. By the time we reached the station, she dashed for more than 2 hours. Here the correct answer is had been waiting. The answer third is the correct answer. Because second action reached by waiting and waiting was going on for before me reached, and so the answer third has been waiting is the correct answer. Second question, Vinita dashed 50 invitations today. The answer first has posted is correct answer because the action completed today, no work is left. Today completed present perfect, so answer first, that is has posted, is the correct answer. The school play dash to be a great success. The answer third proved is the correct answer. School plays have success means success, the verb proves that it is the completed, and so proved is the correct answer. Answer 3 is the correct answer. The match dashed by the chief guest on Sunday. There are 3 options: is inaugurated, was inaugurated, has inaugurated, and only inaugurated. The second 2, answer 2, was inaugurated, is the correct answer. Next question, dash, it was cloudy, it did not rain. Here the correct answer is although, because tathapi, pan, parantu, if it did not rain, though it was cloudy, so answer 4 is the correct answer. Raman is very obedient, he didn't dash his, he does dash, he is told. Here the answer is as, because कार्य किंवा काम जसे सांगितले तसं तो करणार आहे. So Raman is obedient, he does as he is told. Second question, dash, she was unwell, I offered to help her. The correct answer is since, number 3. Since he is used before back to a previous point of time, we use since as a preposition with a date, a time, or a noun phrase. So correct answer is since. After that, next question, his father can't dash with his rude behavior anymore. The correct answer is first put up. Here put up means display, pin up, stick up, as a poster, build, construct, rise, or set up. The correct answer is put up. Next question, she was very happy when she dashed her old friend. The correct answer is first ran into. Means च्याकडे, जुन्या मित्राकडे. This is the correct answer. I have got used in the crowded buses. The correct answer is to traveling. I have got used traveling in the correct buses. Here to traveling is the correct answer. Number 2 is the correct answer. I saw a stranger. Next question is I saw a stranger dash my room. Here the correct answer enter. Number 2, enter, is the correct answer, because to enter and enters, these are not correct. Action of seeing, entering is going at the same time, so मी पाहिले तो येतो, and answer 2, enter, is the correct answer. Next question, he was generous of him with food with us. Generous means सहायता करणे, उदारमतवादी असणारी व्यक्ती. So by should be used. So second, sharing. He was generous of him sharing food with us. This is the correct answer. For next question, could you please stop dash so much noise? Noise is going on, and so he is asking to making going on, and speaker is asking to stop the going activity. So making noise. The 4th number option is the correct answer. Next question, thank you dash to my problem so politely. Here the answer first, that is thank you for listening to my problem so patiently. Listen क्रिया पूर्ण आहे, शांततामय पद्धतीने ऐकण्याची क्रिया पूर्ण केली आहे, म्हणून थँक यू फॉर लिसनिंग. ऐकणे पूर्ण आहे, सो वी यूज फॉर साठी करितेला, बद्दल, ऐकल्याबद्दल आभारी आहे. सो फर्स्ट आन्सर thank you for listening to my problem so patiently. First is the correct answer. Dash it rained, the dust in the air would have settled. For this, option third, had, it is correct answer. Have settled action completed and it is trained then settled. So settled and before that it had rained. So had answer, that is option 3 is the correct answer. Our team can win the match if it dash regularly. Second option, would have practiced. Here action doesn't actually happen before something didn't happen first. Can win, didn't win, to be win, would have practiced. So answer second, that is would have practiced, is the correct answer. If he dash hard, he would have succeeded. The correct answer, option first, had work, is the correct answer. Succeeded when hard work, option is completed. So verb must be past perfect. So had work is the correct answer. If you dash home on time, you wouldn't have finished the train. The correct answer is option 4, had left. If the action leave is completed, then only missing train action completed. Second half sentence is the present tense which is completed by the first half and it must be past perfect. So had left, the option 4 is the correct answer. Next question, I dashed rather drink coffee than tea. The correct answer is would. Option 3, would is the correct answer.